So how was today?
Great.
Car, how was your day?
Can I eat? Can I eat here?
We're eating nachos. It's really good.
No.
Car, how was your day?
We want to go perform it. Like, she was like really happy, but when after we perform,
She's hungry, that's why she's...
hey, look at who's that.
Like gold?
Who's how many money?
He's precious, that's why.
What does that mean?
Gold.
Why are you dropping it? It's so hot.
Yeah, but ice cream will go on his nose and stuff.
So you sit right there and do that.
Oh my god.
How was your day?
Exhausted. Tiring.
I know, huh?
Hungriest.
I'm very hungry.
Babysit. Who is this? I've never known it has food. Oh.
That could be a bracelet.
I put on my leg.
I could give you a safety pin.
For what?
For that, make it a bracelet.
Can I do it? Còn nó y thế này, right?
Okay.
Nó có pickle. How about this?
Yeah, I threw it away. It's not pickle. It's jalapeno.
What do you know it? It go in the middle.
That could be a keychain or something. I like it when it's all soft. It's good.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna sit. It's so fucking hot.
The cheese is good.
You have cheese? You have cheese?
Yeah.
You have cheese?
Yeah. That's why they call it nacho cheese. Oh, we finished all of it. It was good.
Dang, this is done.
We're gonna shut it off. I want to save it for more picture.
Yeah.
So peace out.
Peace out.